Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English quickly. To start, immerse yourself in English every day for at least 30 minutes. This could be through listening to music, podcasts, or even just thinking in English. Next, find opportunities to practice speaking with native speakers or language partners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Finally, watch English movies and TV shows with subtitles to improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary. Now, let's talk about active learning. Make it a goal to learn 10 to 15 new vocabulary words daily. Flashcards and spaced repetition apps are excellent tools for memorizing these words effectively. Additionally, reading English books and articles that match your current proficiency level will significantly expand your understanding. Start with simpler texts and gradually challenge yourself with more complex materials as you improve. Understanding grammar and pronunciation is crucial. Dedicate time to consistently study basic English grammar rules. This provides a strong foundation. Actively practice your pronunciation using online tools or by working with a tutor who can provide personalized feedback. A great tip is to record yourself speaking. Listening back helps you identify areas where you can improve your intonation and clarity, making your speech more natural. Finally, consistency is key to long-term success. Set realistic goals for yourself and track your progress regularly to stay motivated. Joining online communities or language exchange groups can provide invaluable support and opportunities for practice. Remember, every little bit of effort adds up over time. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see amazing results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.